Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna take a look at my first ever Tomica ever. So it is a Mclaren Speedtail. So let's take a look at it, spin it around. Taking a look at this, I really love it. Kind of reminds me of like a Hot Wheels, but a little bit better. Love the paint, the glass is really nice. Also love the wheels too. Wheels are cool. Like it does not really look like the one in the picture, but it still looks really cool. I know it is Tomica, a little McLaren logo. So this thing is awesome. Like I've never owned a Tomica. It's my first time. That is beautiful though. 2019 Speedtail. Take a look at that cool like roof part there. Look at it spin. Little box, pretty cool. Tomica, Tommy. Pretty awesome. I've nothing really else to say about this. I do like the chrome wheels, but I don't know. I never unboxed the Tomica before. But anyways, see you next time. Bye.